MyHTSpace portal login. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar, type in MyHTSpace portal login. As you do so, you will see MyHTSpace access to the benefits with MyHTSpace login. Click onto it, which is the official website of this. And here you have to scroll below. You will find login portal option. Click onto it. Again, scroll below, then you can click onto official login. Now under here, you can type in the username of your account, then type in the password. Once done, click on to login. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Trouble Logging In and get help resetting your account. If you don't have an account, you can click on to register here and create yourself an account. Just like so, if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your MyHTSpace account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.